time to wrap up all the natural soaps, and at the end I do save all the pieces, all the end pieces and the scraps to make a no waste design. And I kind of changed up every year. I'm going to be doing a space theme soap this time. So using up all of the end pieces, the shavings and everything, I used them as soap dough and created different shapes. So these are like stars and planets and moons and different things. And you can see all the different colors. It's going to be really pretty. I've got 3 different sets here because I'm going to try and have all of the bars pretty similar with the design. And the scent is going to be a mojito type with mint and citrus, and it's going to be really nice. And then you have all those other natural essential oil fragrances in there as well. Now for the color, I'm going to do most of it as Activate Charcoal with the black. So you have those nice stars and planets and moons and stuff there. And then I have a tiny bit, in these two, I have a tiny bit of the madder root and the rhubarb root, which was this one right here. It's going to get a nice pink. And then in this one I have some of the indigo and the woad. It's not very much, but it's going to give it like a little bit of pink and a little bit of blue. So hopefully I get some swirls in there as well. And then in this bowl, I've got a little bit of the soap shavings that maybe were a little bit drier. And this is going to be kind of blitzed up into the batter to kind of give it like some stars and asteroid type look. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting my oils and lye ready. And then I think we'll be ready to go.